Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up donations in the Vinted app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Vinted app. And here, after it opens up, it opens up in the home menu. And from here we have to go into the profile menu in the bottom right corner. Then at the middle we find the donations. If you tap on this, then we can just tap on setup recurring donations and select a charity that we want to donate to. And yeah, if we want to do this, then we can also set the amount that we want to donate. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.